Hello? Who are you, mister?
I am Mr. Blacksuit.
Oh, of course you are. I couldn't tell.
Of course you couldn't see. I am wearing a black suit, of course. To represent my wonderful name. Haha.
You speak funny, Mr. Blackshoot. It is odd, yet attractive in the same way. OMG, this is funny.
Yes, OMG, this is freaking hilarious. I cannot believe this. Oops. Did I just say believe? I'm so very sorry. I meant to say believe.
Tee, of course you did.
Yes, I really did.
I just cannot get enough of your accent, Mr. Blackshoot, but I really need to get getting going. I will see you later then.
See you later then.
I'm Miss Redshirt BTW, haha.